Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to change Apple Pay limit on your iPhone. Apple Pay usually lets you make a quick purchases without a password or Face ID up to a certain limit, but you might want to adjust this depending on your needs. Actually, Apple doesn't allow users to directly change Apple Pay transaction limits with themselves. This limit is mostly set by your card or bank issuer, not by Apple. So if you want to increase or remove the limit, the best step is to contact your bank's customer support and ask if they can adjust the limit on their end. Meanwhile, Apple Pay uses Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to authorize payments above the contactless limit. So you can still make bigger purchases securely by authenticating yourself. So while you can change the limit directly on your iPhone, managing your card settings with your bank is the way to go if you need a higher Apple Pay limit. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.